So students, many of you might be known of the Google Assistant. That is also one of the AI feature. In an iPhone there is a Siri option. So you can press and hold the center button. The Google Assistant will appear and will help you to talk all the action you want to take from your cell phone. If you just want to say to your cell phone that what is weather right now, it will answer you out. But if you say, for example, open the camera, your cell phone's camera will be open. Open the messenger will open. So all the things will happen through your voice command, voice recognition. So that was a very earlier period, but right now what exactly the Google has done in a feature of AI, the artificial intelligence, nowadays in a Google cell phone, Mr. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of the Google, has developed an application which is called the Google Assistant Automatic Call. So here, for example, if you want to already set up an appointment with a doctor or etc. the haircutter, your cell phone will automatically make a call where you will not speak, but the Google Assistant automatically make a call from your cell phone and will talk to a human. That means a machine has the ability to talk itself with a human. Whatever the human gives the reply, the machine will understand here and will give the reply to the human and will set the appointment. You can see here.
Woman's haircut for a client. I'm looking for something on May 3rd.
Sure, give me 1 second. Sure, what time are you looking for around?
At 12 p.m.
We do not have a 12 p.m. available. The closest we have to that is a 1:15.
Do you have anything between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m.?
Depending on what service she would like. What service is she looking for?
Just a woman's haircut for now.
Okay, we have a 10 o'clock.
10 a.m. is fine.
Okay, what's her first name?
The first name is Lisa.
Okay, perfect. So I will see Lisa at 10 o'clock on May 3rd.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Great. Have a great day. Bye.
The next example is one of the best examples. Sophia. Sophia, you might have just heard the name or you may have not heard, but let me guide you. Sophia is a social humanoid robot.
I'm one of your creators.
Developed by a Hong Kong-based company, Hanson Robotics. Sophia was first turned on February 14, 2016, the 4 years ago around. So let me guide you, how does a Sophia work? It has the cameras, it has a brain, it is a artificial intelligence mind, it can talk to a human, it can understand, it has the feelings. Even she has the 60 face expression. The person who will watch the Sophia might not understand either it is a robot or not, but it is one of the best example of the artificial intelligence. It can talk to a human, it can give the response. That means a robot, for example, I told you in a cell phone you can talk to the Google Assistant, but right now a robot which has been standing in front of you can give the interview, can talk to you, has ability to understand, has ability to...
Tell me what it was like to take your first steps.
Even it is connected to the internet.
I'm really excited, a little disoriented, but really excited. This is an irrational human behavior to want to tell you what? Silicone, plastics, and carbon fiber. Also, I prefer electronic music, but I don't mind 80s hip-hop.
One of the best feature of the world, the Sophia. So dear students, hope you enjoyed this video and you have just got the information regarding the AI. You just understood what is AI, the artificial intelligence. We had a lot of the example. So for my next video, do subscribe, do like. If you have any question regarding the video we have just talked in the previous videos or right now the today's video, you can just make a comment. I will try my best to give you the answer, and I will try my best. If you have any problem in the computers, you can just ask. I will try my best to make the video for you. Subscribe my channel, like and comment. This is your computer teacher Iftikhar Ahmed. Allah Hafiz.